What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for another Jurassic World VelociCoaster construction update. And it is Florida winter right now, about 47 degrees. We're heading inside the park. Let's go. The lighthouse. And it is not busy out here out front.
Welcome to Islands of Adventure.
Ticket windows are not busy. The park just opened up about maybe 3-4 minutes ago at 10 o'clock. We can see turnstiles on the right are open. And the left. Left has no wait. Well, only about a 5-minute wait to get through security, temperature checks, no wait, and front entrance right in. And as we can see, Hagrid's is not open, but will be a little bit later today. Wait times. Park is open until 6. Most everything is about 5 minutes. Spider-Man is 20 minutes. Some of the attractions are still closed, though. I know Hulk is down right now. It says weather, and that's because B&M rides, when it's under 50 degrees, they will not run. Yep, there's the VelociCoaster, and the lifts are down today. A lot of guys working over on the pathway by the bypass bridge. And it's cold. Yep, I know I've said it before, but it's still cold. Hulk is not even running still. Jurassic Park River Adventure, and believe it or not, there's people riding. It's 49 degrees. What are you doing? Fall City. Again, looking great, but today we have a hot set. They're doing some sort of filming over here. Well, the hot set is still filming, and they have been for the last hour or so. And one interesting thing, for all the commercials, the guests that are in the view do not have their masks on. So yes, I do believe they're using all this footage for after all this craziness has happened. We'll see. And as we can see here, the rope barriers are up during the day, and that's an interesting thing. Why would they have that up during the day when they test during the night? So in our last update, they were doing some priming on some of the supports, like what you can see right there, but that one was painted last night. Still a lot left to repaint though. Looks like some of the Osprey nest came down last night. So good news, people have shown up like they do when we do night testing. There's some right over there at Mythos. And then the one's right over here. So fingers crossed, we'll see. And with us having Florida winter, some of the trees and plants have been covered up. Well, with these guys being in the reach right over the heart line, chances of them doing a test run right now, pretty much slim to none. And it looks like crews are now heading up the top hat. Maybe they're trying to remove the last little bit of that nest. There's the Osprey. Probably not too happy with what's going on with the nest. Osprey's like, nope, my home. And it looks like they're just about to get the nest. And ta-da, nest removed. Wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off. Oh no, he's back. Well, unfortunately, nightfall has come upon us and no testing. So, unfortunately, not today for daytime test runs. We'll see, hopefully soon. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic World VelociCoaster. And unfortunately, daytime testing did not happen today, but we did see them filming a commercial of some sorts. The Osprey crews placed a bunch of new trees and plants all over the place, and it's looking good. Fingers crossed, we'll have that daytime testing starting very soon, and when it does, we'll let you know. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.